There's a reason why I'm sitting in front of a closet door. Today I'm going to reveal to you my biggest lazy insecurity right now. My room. So basically what happens is clean clothes come out of the laundry and I set it all down in a basket right by my bed. I told myself I'm gonna put it away later, and then I never do. And then when it comes time to pick out an outfit, I have to dig through the basket, which means throwing the clean clothes on the floor instead of putting them away. It's a cycle, it's a process. I never said it was a good one. But today, we're gonna fix that. And not only are we gonna clean this disaster, we're gonna redecorate it because summer is around the corner and I'm about to make it colorful. Thank you! Let me show you the disaster first. We have my homework pile. You know, the homework that doesn't actually get done. A non-made bed. I have stuff all over my dressers. Rocks that I don't know why are there. Clean clothes pile and my clean clothes that I put on the floor to find an outfit pile. Here's the clothes that actually need to be washed. I don't even know where to start at this point. The next course of action is getting rid of this homework pile. I have no idea where to put it. There is so much of it. Thank you, teachers. Nowhere to put it. That it will be out on my side because I ain't trying to see that every day.
Eventually.
Okay, so I cleaned up that nasty homework. When you haven't used a vacuum cleaner in so long that you forgot how to turn it on.
Boy, if you don't get...
So I'm officially done cleaning. This is the before of what my room kind of decoration vibe was. I wanted my room to be lavender. So here's like purple tulle and purple lights. Fake flowers. And on my bed, what's up, Jeffrey? How you doing? I always paint my own paintings and then put them up, so I did purple. Now, Operation Get These Colors a Poppin' for summer. Let go. Here's the completed room. Thank you for watching this video, watching me clean it and turn it into something beautiful. For my summer look, I went for more of a yellow, pinky green. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye.